The security camera as we know it was always designed to be intentionally intrusive, its physical presence serving as a scarecrow deterrent for unwanted visitors. But what about the other half of the story? Within hospitality environments, for example, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere is critical to business success. And this is where the traditional security camera design needs to be reconsidered. This is why Ubiquiti set out to develop an entire new security camera concept called Theta. By deconstructing the digital hardware from the pure camera optics, we've made the footprint of the installed camera incredibly complementary to interior design. Theta is a power over Ethernet camera system, supporting a variety of lenses ranging from 360 degrees to telescopic that can sit flush within a wall or ceiling with just a 22mm diameter footprint. And the lenses can attach from the main unit up to 30 meters away. An additional high-performance audio module with an integrated speaker and microphone array can be optionally installed, as well as an articulating fixture for additional viewing angle flexibility. AI Theta features high frame rate 4K resolution, advanced lens dewarping, impressive image dynamic range, and AI analytics focused on guest presence for additional business value. The cameras are managed by our UniFi Protect application and run on UniFi consoles, which provides the low latency performance, privacy, and license-free advantages of a local network video recorder with the remote access capabilities of cloud-based solutions. And designed to get instantly up and running out of the box. Welcome to the future of video camera security. Discover more at UI.com.